Sure, let's talk about Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. If you're new to the term, it's an alternate nostril breathing technique in yoga. Sounds simple? Well, the benefits hit big. Let's break it down. One of the most noticeable benefits is stress relief. Studies have shown that even 5 minutes of Nadi Shodhana can lower cortisol levels. If your life feels like it's stuck in fight or flight mode, this is your reset button. The practice forces you to slow your breathing, activating the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the system that tells your body, hey, everything's fine, chill out. The result? Reduced heart rate, lower blood pressure, and mental clarity. The second big win is improved focus. When you're ping-ponging between tasks, it feels like your brain is at war with itself. Nadi Shodhana gives your mind structure. It's like wiping your mental whiteboard clean before starting fresh. And let's talk about energy. Weirdly, it's calming and energizing all at once. By balancing the left and right hemispheres of your brain, it replaces that morning coffee with a laser-focused vibe. No crash, no jitters, just pure centeredness. A lot of people deal with stuffy noses or sinus issues, and the alternation between nostrils can actually clear up nasal passages. Think of it as giving your respiratory system a good spring cleaning. It just works. Ever notice how some days your yoga practice feels zen, but other days your balance is off? That uneven energy you feel? Nadi Shodhana tackles that exact problem. It harmonizes your inner energy flow, which some refer to as prana. Here's the method step by step because I know someone's wondering. Close your right nostril with your thumb, inhale through the left, then close the left nostril with your ring finger, and exhale through the right. That's one cycle. The beauty of this is how customizable it is. You can start with just 1 or 2 minutes, and as you get more comfortable, scale up to 10 minutes. Pro tip, do it first thing in the morning for an optimal day ahead. Now to the sciencey stuff. Research shows that it improves oxygen exchange and lung capacity, which is great for anyone looking to improve athletic endurance. Seriously, athletes are starting to get into this, and for good reason. Another cool thing? It's said to boost your cognitive function. Some yogis claim that continued practice improves memory and problem-solving skills. Anecdotal? Sure, but hey, isn't sharper thinking just what you're looking for? If you're into meditation but struggle with staying focused, this is like a pre-game warm-up for your brain. It steadies everything, making it easier to sit in stillness or dive into any mindfulness practice. Game changer. The kicker is anyone can do this. No cost, no special tools, just your body and 5 minutes of your time. It's low risk, high reward, and something you can do anywhere, even on a crowded MAX train here in Portland. Give it a try.